Okay, for this one, they give us these four scenarios, A, B, C, and D, and they want us to match it to graphs 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the first one, A, says a city's average daytime temperature in January and its latitude. So if we remember, right, from science, that as your latitude increases, the temperatures decrease, right? As the latitude increases, the temperature is going to decrease. So I could see that in graph 1, as the x increases, the y increases. But in graph 2, as x increases, the y decreases. So that could be as latitude increases, temperature decreases. So I'm going to put graph 2, right, for A. And again, the key is that, or I could put an A here, right? As the latitude increases, which is the x, the temperature decreases. Okay, the second one is the weight of a car and its speed in a traffic jam on the freeway. Now, I don't know about you, but trucks and cars that are stuck in traffic jams go the same speed, which is almost nothing. So I would say that if the weight increases, the speed is going to stay the same. So that would be this last graph over here, graph 4, right? Because as the weight increases, right, if weight is x, the speed, which is y, would stay the same in a traffic jam. So this is B for that one. For C, number of pets a student has at home and his or her grades. So I highly doubt that there's any relationship between the amount of pets you have and your grades. I mean, I guess you can make some abstract argument that if you have so many pets, you're spending all your time taking care of them. But in any case, number of pets and your grades in school, probably no correlation, and that's clearly this third graph. So that would be graph 3, I. And the last one, it has to be graph 1, but let's check. So a cost of a person's home and the value of his or her car. This is kind of a social generalization, but you would say that if there were big mansions, chances are they have fancier cars than very low-cost homes, right? So that would mean as one of them increases, the other increases, which clearly is graph 1. So I can put a D for graph 1.